Good day to you. This is Rin, founder of Forex Recommend Private Limited. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar. Euro dollar on the daily chart, you can see that it is finally confirmed a bearish trend on the daily chart. Alright, so the first break and close below the low of the support, and the second time form a bearish trend. To the 4-hour chart, likewise, a bearish trend has confirmed, and finally having a clearer trend. I have really planned out the trade. So at this point, have you spotted a harmonic pattern? Because within this 1-hour chart there is. Pause the recording to find where is the harmonic pattern, and I will share with you right away. Alright, so to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis on the daily chart. This is a sell zone area I'm looking at on a lower time frame, but even on the daily chart, you can see that it's a consolidation zone. To the 4-hour chart, this is the consolidation area, and I am pretty much looking for a selling opportunity within this sell zone. So having a trend trading opportunity, selling opportunity, because right now is a bearish movement, and within this zone will even perfect it. To the 1-hour chart, here it is a bearish bat pattern. Even better, there is a AB equals CD movement within this area. Traders who have engaged for aggressive long, congratulations. If not, I'll just wait within this sell zone, which is the PRZ, potential reversal zone of this bat pattern. Touch the furthest line, aggressive trader can short right away, but a conservative trader can wait for the candle to break and close below the low price by a bit. Alright, that will increase your accuracy. So that's all I have for you today. If you love to see the development of this trade, join us on Wednesday Facebook Live, Singapore time 6:08 PM. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.